In this problem, there are two players, player A and player B. When player A hits the ball to the player B with a projectile motion, at the same time, the player B starts running towards the ball with a constant velocity of 2.55 meter per second. There is goal post at point E. Initial distance between A and B was 13.10 meter, and distance between B and the goal post was 6.12 meter. Now, in the problem it is given that the player B receives the ball at a distance of 2.16 meter from the point E. Therefore, the distance between the initial position of player B and the point where he has collected the ball will be 6.12 meter minus 2.16 meter, that is 3.96 meter.